Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is all about greens and golds, partly in honor of St. Patrick's Day, but also because I have been dying to play with color. I recently bought the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette and I thought, what better time to try it than for a holiday that is green themed. So if you want to see how I got this look, please go ahead and keep watching. But before you do, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. And let's get started. So I'm going to start with a transition color. I'm going to go into this one from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to put that around the whole outer portion of the eye, kind of to make it a round effect. I'm using the Mario blending brush from the Mario and Sephora collection. I'm going to take a brush from the same Mario collection and just go underneath the lower lash line with the same color. I'm now going to go into this emerald color, and I'm going to take that right in the crease, and I'm going to pull it down just a little bit as well. I'm going to take a slightly smaller blending brush. This is an Anastasia one, and I'll just fluff that in the crease. So I really like the shape that I'm getting right now with the dark green and then the emerald. So I'm going to go onto the lid now, and I'm going to lay down that same emerald color right on the edge. I'm going to use a flat brush for this. I'm going to go back to that dual-sided Anastasia brush, and I'm going to put this dark shimmer color on the outer edge. Going to go back to this side of the same brush, and I'm going to take this same shimmer, again, this one right here, and I'm going to bring that into the outer crease. Now, I have hooded eyes, and usually the rule of thumb is don't put shimmer above the crease. However, because my eyes are so hooded, I feel like I can bring it up just a little bit more so you can actually see the shimmer. I'm now going to go onto the inner lid with this beautiful color here. I'm going to move back to the lower lash line, and I'm just going to mirror everything that I've done on top. I'm going to take a really tiny brush, again from the Mario and Sephora collection, and I'm going to go into this gold right around the whole inner corner. I'm going to take this green, and I'm going to put that right in the center of the lid. I love the way this looks, but I also had bought this glitter and I'm really curious to see what it looks like. So I'm going to take this slightly over onto the other side of my lid just to blend and just to get some more shimmer, because more is more. I'm going to take this NYX pencil, and this is in Emerald City, and I'm going to put this in the waterline. So here's the finished eye look. I'm going to clean up the fallout that happened under here, put some lashes on, and I will be right back. Here's the finished look. All I did was add some lashes and it was done. I have to say I really like how this came out. I think the greens are really wearable. Maybe not every day to work, but I would totally do this look again for a night out. This is also my first time trying any of the Huda Beauty eyeshadows, and I think they're really pigmented. They blend beautifully. The shimmers that are in here are just out of this world gorgeous. The only thing I didn't like was there was a massive amount of fallout underneath my eyes, And it didn't just whisk away, it actually kind of adhered to the makeup underneath my eyes. So I had to redo the makeup there, and I've never had to do that for shadows. So when I use this palette next, I will probably just do my eye makeup first, and then I'll finish off the rest of my makeup after that. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it gave you some ideas of how to incorporate some color into your eye looks. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please go ahead and subscribe. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I'll see you next time.